Hi there, check out this sleek tempered glass black round coffee table, set of 2, that adds modern elegance to any living room or office space. Featuring a sturdy metal frame, it offers excellent stability and long-lasting durability for daily use. The tempered glass top is scratch-resistant and highly durable, maintaining its pristine look over time with minimal effort. Assembly is simple and quick, requiring no special tools or professional help, making it hassle-free to set up. Its minimalist design and clean lines create a versatile accent that complements various decor styles. Whether used as a centerpiece or functional side tables, this set adapts perfectly to your space. Elevate your home or office with this stylish and practical coffee table set today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.